Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, everyone. This is Siddhant Jajodia, and today I would be speaking on how to overcome stage phobia or stage fright. So, my journey began in 2015 when, for the first time, I spoke in front of 50 students in my college. I remember my legs were shaking so badly that I had to grab the teacher's chair so that I don't fall. Fast forward to 2019, when I became the best paper presenter for consecutive 3 years by Indian Sea Institute, giving lectures on GST all across India. So many times my friends ask me, Sid, how have you overcome this stage of phobia? And hence today I am here making a video on the same. Before starting the video, you should know that there are two kinds of people. One, who are very much nervous before going to stage. And second, who lie about not being nervous. Trust me, everyone is nervous. But the key is the first 5 seconds when you go on the stage and you have to overcome that fear in the first 5 seconds. That's what matters, the everything. That's what directs your whole speech, makes you a better speaker, and makes you overcome your stage of phobia. So let's start the video by my first point, that is visualization. Visualization ideology has been borrowed from the book The Secret, available on Amazon, or the movie The Secret, which is on Netflix. This ideology says visualize or imagine what you want to do, like you are living it. But that's basically live what you want to do. So I wanted to give a seminar in front of 2000 people. I used to imagine myself giving that seminar every day for 1 month. I thought of 100 ways how to start a speech, how to end a speech. I used to imagine me standing in front of 2000 students, giving a speech, making mistakes, correcting them on the stage. I even used to ask questions to myself from the crowd, and I used to give replies to them. I tried many ways, many different ways of what can I do on that stage, just by standing in front of the mirror and imagining it. And when for the first time I spoke in December 16 in Mumbai in front of 1500 CS students, it was easy for me. It was like living my dream. I have lived that exact moments 100 times in my mind. That prepares me for it. That movie on Netflix is a must watch. It changes life. It has changed mine. And it will help you definitely to overcome stage phobia. Second thing is to get the confidence to go to the stage. So confidence comes in starting in small groups. Maybe it's a friends group or some training seminar, or maybe your friend circle or family. So wherever you get an opportunity to speak in front of a group of people, seize that opportunity. Confidence will come when you will go first. We humans often tend to wait to go second. We wait when if one person will go, I will follow him. But once we start going first, it will actually boost our confidence. Third point is the how to manage the 5 seconds, first 5 seconds on the stage. Step one, keep your hands like this. This way, when your fingers are like in this manner, it gives you a confidence boost. Then take deep breaths. See your audience, left to right, top to down. Just see them. Take deep breaths and keep your finger like this. By doing this, there would be a instant boost in your morale. You will get confidence and you will be able to speak. Many times we don't know what to do with our hands, like keeping them on side or keeping them behind doesn't look good. You can take this posture. This is a very good posture for giving speeches, presentations, or even in interviews. It gives you confidence and it looks a bit professional also. Second part comes how to get fluent in English. So many times what happens is when we are speaking in Hindi, हम लोग जब हिंदी में बात करते हैं हम लोग रुकते नहीं है क्योंकि हम सोचते और बोलते साथ में है, तो hence हमारे को टाइम नहीं लगता बोलने में. But when we are speaking in English, many times what happens is we are thinking in Hindi, we translate from Hindi to English, and then we speak in English, and then there is a time lag. Then it's like we are not fluent in English. So how to make sure you think and speak in English at the same time? The key is to think in English. How do you program your mind to think in English? The way out is start talking to yourself. Give yourself abstract topics, anything. Think on it, speak on it. Speak to yourself, prepare a small speech on that topic. Do this again and again on various topics. It will actually help you to develop your speaking skills. For example, I prepared on the topic was God made men, barbers and tailors made them gentlemen. So after thinking, I came to the point where the barbers and tailors represents our parents and our teachers who grooms you, who makes you look better, who those are the people who makes you a gentleman. Or another topic, for example, every beautiful girlfriend has a strict father. So here you can think of your girlfriend as the goal in your life, and the strict father are those obstacles which stops you from going to that goal. How to overcome that? So what happens is like when you take such abstract topic, whatever from anywhere, from you Google search or anything on your mind, speak on it. Try speaking on it again and again while walking, while taking a shower. What will happen is you will start slowly, you will start thinking in English and speaking in English at the same time, which will help you to be a bit fluent. I myself was teased a lot in my high school times for having a very bad English. And then after some time, while practicing this methodology, I became capable of delivering a lecture or a speech in English. So let's do this, try this now. I would be giving you a topic, pause the video, try to speak for at least 10 seconds, 20 seconds. Just try it. The topic is 50 Shades of Grey, everything apart from the book and the novel. Your time starts. Pause it. Pause. So if you try to speak, congratulations, you will overcome your fear. And if you just skip that part and came here, congratulations, you wasted your 10 minutes. If you were thinking what to say, for example, 50 Shades of Grey, grey is a mixture of black and white. Black represents darkness or evil, white represents light or happiness or good. Grey is a mixture of good and bad. We all humans are grey in color. No one is 100% black, no one is 100% white. So we all are grey in color. Just color representing the nature, nothing else. The second part of how to be a bit better or fluent in English, as we all know, is to read English novels, to watch English sitcoms, to see English movies, series. It actually helps you in a long process, but that will take a lot of time. The best way is, if you are a student, if you have read any topic, give a speech on that topic at that moment to yourself. If you are working, talk on what you have done at that day to yourself, and that will help you to increase that English. So if I left anything, leave it out in the comment section. That's for the day.